Sleeveless top that can be used for a swimsuit, and a hoodie and my vest. Are you doing a picture? This is a brand new bra. It was never worn, or an underwear. Oh. See? They fit right in there. So Linda gave this to you.
You love that.
And I knew you can just I'm gonna take 8 things.
Is that right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, and a bra, and
8.
a panty. 8 things plus 2.
That's it.
Oh, that's really nice.
And all these can go. I can just change things. And these you just wash them in the sink at night. And it's all clean. Isn't that fun?
That's true.
I know.
That's your Greek trip, right?
That's for a 15-day trip, yes.
So what happens? You recycle them?
Every night I wash them. I wash something. So every night you wash something. That's all.
Well, I got to explain to you which things are what. The one over here, what is that?
Those are shorts that can be used for swimsuit
Okay.
bottom.
Are they like
They're about this
Spanish?
long.
What do you call them? People
Like
wear
spandex.
What do
Yeah.
they call those?
Speedos.
No.
I don't know.
Elena had on her head at
Oh, Spanx?
Spanx.
No, they're not Spanx. I wouldn't do that to myself. So that's for swimming, or if I want to wear shorts. These are pants that come about this far,
Yeah.
and they dry really fast. I've used those many times.
Where'd you get those rubber band things?
From my socks. From the, what are those socks called? Smart Wool sends.
They said them like that.
They send them wrapped like that. So I use them. Yeah. These are from Land's End. And they're rash guard to protect your skin.
Is that right?
All of them. And they can all be used for swimming or,
Are they SPF?
yeah, UPF.
UPF.
It's UPF for clothes. SPF is the cream.
Well, we dibs.
Yeah. So that these are all can be used for anything. And these are for this is a fancy tab.
What is USPS?
USPS is the United States Postal Service. And then this is another free floating.
Those two on the end are really beautiful.
Yes, and they weigh about an ounce.
So then you have this gets zipped up and shoved into your regular suitcase,
Yeah.
which just got wheels. And then in that regular suitcase, you have room for smoothies. You have where your slippers go or sandals go, and a couple pair of socks.
I can show you that.
The whole
I'll bring that in.
Here we'll cut.
My beautiful American Tourister carry-on that my
Show me the wheel.
lovely husband got for me for Christmas.
Christmas.
Yes. It's beautiful. And to really make it so you can identify it, I put this little thing on here. So inside here, there's a little zipper pocket where I have Band-Aids and non-liquid items can go in here. Toothpaste, a toothbrush, swab sticks, some little powder, baby powder.
You have some rubber bands in there too?
Oh, do I have some Larry issues going on here? Alcohol wipes, anything liquid or cream can't go in there. So that's all like hygiene. And in here, there's my bucket hat, so I look like Gilligan. Here's a little purse, or if we go, look at that here. And it covers my ears.
It does make you look like Gilligan.
With Gilligan. here's a little purse. I cut that long band off because it was really irritating me. And this is for if we go out for a meal.
Yeah, that was.
And I don't use my vest. But inside you could fit your passport or a wallet. You know, whatever
So
you
where do you
want.
stash that on your body then?
I just hold it. I hold it. And then here's some masks if we need them. The KN95.
Oh, yeah.
And then there's some wet ones for cleaning up on the plane. And here's some for keeping everybody tidy in their areas. It's a little heavy, but it'll go down.
Does that count out ounces of liquid?
No. That's okay. And then I'm gonna put this back. So this goes flat. See how nice that is? And then this goes flat too. My Gilligan hat. Yeah.
That pinch can really sounds like buckets.
Well, I think it's just cotton. I don't think so. I think water will. You could put things in there.
Let's say you had to bail out a boat.
Well, you could if you went real fast. So in here,
Other things I had no idea.
so these are my sandals and my socks. There's 2 pairs of socks. And this is my blankie for when I want to sleep. It's my giraffe blanket. Instead of spending a lot of money on travel blankets, you just go to the store and buy a baby blanket. And it does the same thing. Here's some emergency to protect us. You have a bag of this too. So every day you're supposed to take one to help you keep your immune system. Which I got from there's a lot of vitamin C and B vitamins and other vitamins. Yeah. So I got those for us. They're just comfortable sandals for walking or if we go to a nice restaurant. And then here are medications.
That's the same thing.
This has like COVID tests in it. Medication, extra pair of glasses.
Are we having any headway on
Oh, the packs are good? No, I don't have any yet. We have anti-diarrheal. Stool softeners if you have the opposite problem. Diaper hydrant.
You don't say that.
I think this is not zinc, but there's vitamins in here and vitamin D and some antioxidants. Dramamine for motion sickness, some Pepto-Bismol, some Tums.
So what is the directive as far as the motion sickness remedy?
Well,
Take it like a day before you undergo the trip?
no, like an hour before you get out of something. So it would probably be, I might take one in the morning before we get on a tour bus.
Let's see.
In case I get
I had that wrong.
a little motion sickness.
Take it a day before you start traveling.
Not a day, just like an hour.
If it's after you're ready for the sickness, too late.
Yeah. So you have to, take it before. Like if we take that hydrofoil to Santorini, I might take one before that. Because sometimes I get motion
In
sickness.
September, the better training if you
Yeah.
be a bit
So we'll see. I just have that just in case. Look at I'm gonna show you something
That's
else.
where that sticks in, okay. That
But-
other bag you had.
Yeah. And then I have room for souvenirs.
Susie, oh.
And I have a backpack too. That's my other carry-on. That you could put stuff in. Some deodorant, some sunblock. So this is yours. Some Sensodyne. Here's mine.
That's nice. And that all adds up to only 3 ounces.
Each one can only be 3.4 ounces. So that's what they are. Then once you get through security, you can take things out. Like I would take the lipstick out, put it in my pocket, lip stuff.
That's security and what?
Yeah, Milwaukee.
First.
Right.
Oh.
So this is flight spray. This is to keep your nose
Once you
moist.
got the airplane, I do a quick check. And I asked to be back in.
Well, they don't really look through your luggage because you've gone through security already.
That was just a passport check that they did on us.
Right.
I think it was in Italy. It was really
Yeah.
unorganized and ill-advised.
So here's some gum in case somebody's ears clog up. Here's throat lozenges, and these are for those cranberry things to help your immune system. Some more wet ones. We have some trail mix for us, a big thing of trail mix. And in here I have some granola bars for us.
Like those.
So we'll be eating these, but
These are peanut butter and cheese crackers. I don't know how you like them so much.
big meat. What's in here? I don't have anything in here yet. No. So see how much room there is here for stuff.
So that the backpack that you were handling right now, that you would consider as your,
Carry-on. You get 2 carry-ons.
but you have one that's a lap bag, isn't it?
No. I just have this and my one on the wheels.
Yeah.
I don't carry anything else.
I carry that as I call it a lap bag. What is it called?
Well, you get 1 lap bag and 1 other carry-on. You get 2. So if you have a purse too, they're like, no. And people are like, well, it's just a purse. No, that's 3. I've seen